In progress.
Hello, 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 everybody. Another day to win for the Lord. Let's get on here and let's see what we can do. So the first thing we're always going to do is we're going to look at the market. So let's go and look. Let's put this back here. We're going to look at the news. And we're going to go to Forex Factory. That's where we look at our news. And today is the 20th. Always make sure it's the right day. We're on a new day. No bad news, really. There's just crude oil inventories. It's a little orange. It's not red. FOMC member Barr speaks. This could be a big deal. I'm surprised that it's just a yellow folder. Must not be really that big of a news. Let's look into it because sometimes I see this as a red FOMC. Maybe not the member speaking, but FOMC stuff really can knock around the market. Due to testify about the oversight of financial regulators before the House Financial Services Committee in Washington, D.C. There's really no local news or any, United States news right here. So it might be smooth selling. And nothing really happened before that. Let's see. EBC says trade tensions add to risk facing financial system. Let's look around here. And so last night I had a great meeting. It was kind of like an interview, but I did a presentation for the interview to basically for this company that has over 5,000 people in it to join the academy and to join the things that we're doing. So they really loved it. And the people that were part of that community, they all put like their thumbs up and said they wanted to be a part of it. So today or tomorrow, I'm gonna talk to the board one more time, and we're gonna see how we can work together. They're actually saying that one of the inside things was they were asking me if I would want to be the president of the company, and I was just telling them like I would need to know how much control I have, um, because I believe in the company. I used to really be a big part of it like 4 years ago. So I really believe in the company. And there was one guy that was in the company. I remember he was a friend of mine. He was actually the president at the time. And he was making $100,000 a month off the company, like when it first started. So I know what this company can do. Just the president himself was making $100,000 a month. So when they asked me to be the president, I knew the ex-president. So I said, wow, okay. I could see what could happen, but there's obviously work that we would have to put in. But they would basically join up on our academy, and I'm gonna make it so the people that are already in the academy, could probably get a position to make some money. Because as I know that this thing is built up, the academy, like I did all the work and everything that we need, and I could have 100,000 students right now and everything work perfect, but we're only really doing what, an hour 3 times a week, and then most of it's based on video and the indicators and things like that. So to build it up, I would put people in positions, especially the people that are close to me. But that's what happened yesterday. Went really good, and so I should have some news on that a little bit later on this week. They're supposedly making a decision by Friday, so we'll see. Just want to tell you guys the good news. Forex Factory, no real news. Let's look at metal. And wow, gold went up $16 in the last 6 hours. That's huge. Gold was falling, 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 and I wonder why people are starting to buy that gold at that rate right here. That's a really upswing. Let's look at crypto. Maybe Bitcoin's going up too. Bitcoin went up 1,000. Yeah, so it's at 94, almost 95,000 right now. Wow. Yeah, the market's looking good. Ethereum went up $45. That's huge right there. See, Ethereum going up $45 is almost, is percentage wise as much as Bitcoin going up 1,500. So we look down here and we see that it's 1.4% Ethereum went up in the last 6 hours, and 1.7% that Bitcoin went up in the last 6 hours. So yeah, Ethereum is rocking. And it's funny, today I'm going to be trying to sell a house early in the morning, but later on in the day, I have an investor that I put into different cryptos like 2 to 3 years ago, and she made out like she probably made double, almost triple her money. And she wants to invest more money and do more things. So she's going to see this big increase right here. That's going to be a good thing. And the different coins that we're going to be talking about. So that's great. All right. So we don't really need to look at the oil, but we'll do it anyways. Let's look at oil. And that's the Brent USD natural gas. So gas is going up a little bit. I remember my dad was telling me that they said on the news that gas was going to go up 45 cents. And usually that's just because of the winter. It's not because the oil is more priced. It's just because of the winter. There's a special blend that they have to put inside of the oil in the United States for, because it's so cold and things like that. So um, I haven't really seen the price at the pump go up, but it might just because of the winter times coming. And then hopefully it will shoot back down and we'll have a better price. All right. No real news is the news that we have today. So we're not going to really worry about that. And let's go straight to the markets now. And here we go in the market. And the first thing we kind of want to do is always look, if we got the indicators available, the first thing we're going to do is, before we even do support and resistance, we want to know what the bot's saying at different time frames. But as we seen yesterday, we predicted this to go up, and look what happened. I mean, it's been way up since yesterday, right? Even the bot started calling out some buys and things of the sort. Right here, we had a sale, might have went back down halfway or a little bit. But what we're seeing is a lot of buying power. Here goes a sell right here on the 15 minutes US30. So it got us a sell at 5:15. If we would have woke up a little earlier, we would have had that right there. That was a big win. So that was great. And that's just, the indicator of the bot telling us what to do. We had a buy right here for an hour. That's a long time ago. It's really nothing for us right now. So there's nothing really telling us what to do or what not to do right now on the US30. But the best signal, it looks like, is this sell right here 15 minutes ago. But that might be done. We see it go all the way down to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So it would have made the total amount of money. We don't even have to worry about that one. All right. Let's look around. Let's see here. We got gold. Let's look at gold at the 15 minutes. So we got gold. We got a buy at gold. I wish it was still down here. This is on 15 minutes ago. Look what happened on the buy on gold at 15 minutes. It went straight up in the last 15 minutes. So how much time do we have left? It's actually the end of the candle. So we have 30 seconds left right here. It shows us. And it was a great buy on the bot. Let's see if we have any other signals. And then we're going to kind of break it down and use support and resistance. We have a good buy right here too on the 4 hours. And as you see it, it went up, almost 8 hours. Well, it went up 4 hours because there's still 4 hour candles left, 344. So that's a new candle. So let's see. It told us to buy and it went up. Wow. It went up almost $18. Yeah, $19. It's up $19 now, and that's 1,900 pips. That's big. Like if we could have won that, we wouldn't even be on right now. So that was a good buy. Here goes a sell for the day. And it's been 2 days after that. All right, let's look. Nas 100. Let's see what we have here. Nothing on the 15 minutes. And I should have actually looked at the 5 minutes also. So we have a sell right here on the 4 hour candles, and it went down for almost 8 hours because there's only 43 minutes left in this last candle right here. Let's look at the 5 minutes this time and see. It was a buy right here. Went up a little bit, but it did go down. Let's look at Bitcoin. This was a great 5 minute right here. Boom. This is good right here. It went down. Let's look at the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, we see that it kept on saying buy, buy, buy. $30, nothing really. Here goes 1 hour. And this was at 3 o'clock this morning, told us to buy. And look how far it went up since then. What we're really looking for is, more proof that the bot is working. Here goes a good one right here. But we're also looking for if we have something that's close to our time frame. Depending on what, 5 minutes, we would need something like in 10-minute range. If we're looking at 15 minutes, we want a trade that's been happening like the last 15 to 30 minutes. So we're looking for, if it's an hour, we want the last hour, maybe 2 hours at the most. So we're looking for something that's close to us that we can still get in and still make some money off of. Here goes a buy right here. That was too long ago, though. Let's see. Here goes a great buy right here. 15 minutes, went straight up. But it's just nothing that we can basically capitalize off of. Let's see here. Here goes a sell, and this might be something we can capitalize off. It didn't go too far down. And this is a bot trade, the Beach Trader bot. And what we see right here, look at the last one that they called right here. This is a Beach Trader bot too. And it went straight up for what, 3 candles? 1, 2, 3, right? So this one is only went down for 2. So this might be something that's going to go down another one um, because this is a 4 hour. So we would be in this trade for a long time if that's the case. Let's look at Apple. And we predicted the buy off of the candle. Remember yesterday, this is where it opened up at. Yesterday or the day before it closed right here, the buy gave us a buy on the 15 minutes. So we said to buy. And look what happened. I mean, goodness. We could have made a lot of money on that if you guys did what, we talked about yesterday. Here goes some more buys. We got a buy and at the end of the last hour before the market closed yesterday. And so I like it to buy 1, 2. It's like 3 days in a row it was buying on the 1 hour. So I like Apple again. We like Apple to buy. And another reason why I really like Apple to buy is look how it just went down so fast at the end of the day. This is the 5 minutes. So it looks like it has a lot of room to buy right here. And the market's gonna open like down here. So I would love it. I would love to buy. I'm going to actually go a little lower and say that I want it a little lower because I've seen what that candle did last time. So we're looking to buy Apple again. And where is that at? That's at 227.8. 227.8 to buy. And it's going to open down. Oh, look, it's even further down now. It just jumped way down. That's the pre-market, this orange line right here. So now it's right here. That's funny. It's right here where I said it used to be up there. So that looks like a good sign. Amazon. Look where Amazon is opening at. This might be another uh good sign for us right here with this Amazon. It's way down underneath the Bollinger Band. So we want to take a short trade in, and this is one of my mentors and how he trades. Look how far it is. Goodness gracious. So usually what happens is the market tends to go 50% back to where it stopped at. So if it stopped, this is where it stopped right here. You see the line and it shows us where it stopped last day. So let's say, we start right here on this orange line. And so we say this is 100% of what it was yesterday. So now we're talking about it's supposed to go back about 74 pips up. So let's go 74 pips up. And this is where it should come back. 74 pips. So it should get back to right here. So I'm going to say to buy in right here. And I want to sell around here. And this will be a good sell. This isn't like a conservative sell, right? So we want to get out right here, or we want to get out in the halfway marker right here. So either one, this is where we're selling at. So let me put the arrow. So we're going to buy right here. At this level or under, we're going to buy. And we're going to try to get out in here. These are the two zones. So get out the trade. I'm just going to put this in the middle. And so we want to get out at these two zones, whichever one. And hopefully it will move really fast. That's Amazon. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla's going to start lower too. And one thing about Tesla is, man, I'm kind of scared to buy Tesla right now because Tesla, after Trump got elected, Tesla went up like $100. So what is the true? See, it looks like this is the true highest it's supposed to go. Everybody keeps on selling at this level that it's at right now. So let's look and see. It never been up here. It just rocketed up here. It been up here, this little area right here. But this looks like where it keeps on falling back down. It's already at that level because it really took like an extreme jump. And let's look. This is the week before the president election, and it was down at 218. Right? 218. And you can see that it's been on a rise to get to 218. It wasn't like 218 was like where it just petered and didn't do nothing. It was like rising up weeks before, right? And then Trump got elected. Let's see. I'll take you right to the day. This is the day Trump got elected right here. This day right here. And then it just shot up like a rocket. Boom. $50, then $100. And so this looks like, the highest a high. I'm not going to trade this right now. I would trade this going down just to get back to this level right here, the last, support that it was at, so it could bounce off of something. But it might just keep on going up. We got about 6 more minutes for the opening bell. Let's kind of dive deeper into the US30. I'm going to clean up this map, some of the stuff we have. And what you can see is this trade wants to be up in this area right here. And it's way down lower. And so I really like it to even reach higher and higher to go. But we are in a 96% downtrend according to the 4-hour map. The hour map, we're at 100% uptrend. This candle's the first time that it broke that uptrend in the last like 15 candles. So I would actually like this to keep on going up because it's in a super trend uptrend right now. So I'm gonna erase some of this stuff. Well, you know what? I'm gonna leave that on because I wanted to get back up in this area and I want to know that we're up in that area when it happens. So today, let's kind of map it out for us. And as you see, it's below the Bollinger Band right here. It really looks good to go back up. I mean, it's all, look at this trade if we would have took this sell right here. So let's take this going up. We want to take this going up, and it's way down here. And we want another buy. And it's so out of the Bollinger Band. It's like it needs to at least push up, go around this area right here at least just for the Bollinger Band to reach back into it. What happened the last time it went down under the Bollinger Band? Boom, it shot back up. When it went up to the top, it shot down. So why would we expect anything to happen different? Let's go ahead and move the green because it's still falling before the opening bell. What is it? 626. It's this candle right here is really a huge candle. And let me look in the past and see, do we see any candle going up this level right here? And we do. We see this up right here and a big candle that's in this zone. And we do see a big candle going down. I mean, this candle right here, right? This is kind of what we see. Like, look at this big candle going down, and then it started going back up and took over the candle that went down, right? And then it kind of petered out. But if we look, this candle is the size of these two candles. So let's just measure it and see. And we're looking for candle length. We're looking for things like that to kind of describe some more detail. So 173, that's 173 here. Let's look. And we're going to say these two candles together are 171. Look at that. So this looks like this same big red candle going down, and we're expecting some green candles going up. So if you already got in because we had that line going, you're already in some profit. Let's look at gold and see if gold's telling us anything. Gold's been trading really good. And oof, let's see. We had it yesterday. It did what we said. Let's see what's going to happen today. It's at the top of the Bollinger Band on the hour. It still has a little bit of room left. And you see it touch the Bollinger Band on the half an hour and kind of wick back in. We got a buy 15 minutes ago. We could have got in right here. It's been a steady. Gold is the easiest thing to trade because we can stay in the trade long enough to probably get our money back because it usually goes up like this, up, down, up, right? So, but right now, we might get stuck in a trade. If we go up, it might be at the top because it is at the top right here we see. And let's look at the top, right? It did come from a downtrend. It looks like it's trying to go back up. Because when Trump got elected, gold went down because the United States feel more secure. So we do understand that. We got a buy right here for the 4 hours, and it hasn't really did everything that it was going to do for that probably. You see when we're getting sales on the 4 hours, they're going faster. Our best bet is to get in right here. And this isn't the safest trade. But what we'll do is we'll put our stop loss in and take profit a little closer. Let's look here. This goes up to $3. So let's do a $3 stop loss on gold. And don't put that many lots in it, okay? So $3 is right there. And we'll do our stop loss at blue. Stop loss. We'll put our take profit. We'll put our take profit at, let's go orange. Okay, so the stop loss is at 2635. 2635. Okay, the market just started. So go ahead and get in there. We got this going up. Gold already raced down. We had our stop loss kind of low. Let's look at US30. We had US30 going up. Look what happened to US30, you guys. Stop playing with us. Look how far it went up. If you got in the US30, get out right now. You're done. That thing went up, skyrocketed. Get out of US30 right now. If it goes back down and touches the green, we might want to get in one more time, but that's a lot of profits that we got over here already. Man. And especially get out now. Get out now. If you're still in US30, you got a lot of good money. Look at what the money is right here. This is good enough just to be done. This is what, 800 pips right here of profit. So we're done with US30, and we got in right here when the market started, and look what happened. It wigged back up. It's going back up. It didn't hit our stop loss. And depending on if you got in really low when the market started, or if you got in when I told you to before it started, we're in profits right now. And right, the top profit would be up here. So we always look at our middle profits, which is right about here. So you guys are almost out if you got the middle profits. Here it is right here. Just let it go up just a little bit more, and we are out of this trade. There it is right there. You guys are done. If you're at the half profit, if you're waiting for the full profit, we got a little bit of time left, but you are out at the half profit. We got 2 major wins, and we're very excited about that. Let's look again. If this comes back down US30, we're already out of this trade. We won a lot of money on that. If it goes back down to the green, trade it again. If it doesn't go back to the green, do not trade US30 no more. We're done with US30. Right here, gold, you could be waiting for it to hit this orange, but you are at a great profit right here. We are right again, you guys. Some people got scared. They said it started going down. Beach Trader, yeah, but guess what? It went to our destination, our halfway point already, and we already got out. Or you're trying to look for the full profit, and you're going to have to wait a little bit more time. Let's look at oh, there it is right here, you guys. It's going, it's going, it's going. Man, that was close. I would have probably got out already, but it's going. Now it's done. We're done. This trade is over. US30 is over. We won again our big profit. So if you took the half profit or the big profit, you guys jammed on that one, man. I'm happy for you guys. Good job, good job, good job. We're so excited today. We're so excited. Even US30 is going back up for another round, but we're out of there. Those 2 right there wins are enough for us to just, let's go over again, right? Let's go over again. Let's just say you got out right around here. That's $700 or 700 pips. If you got out up here, that's 866 pips. You're done with the US30. Let's look at how much we won in gold. Let's say you got in. Gold started right here at the very, very bottom. But let's just say you got in before the market when I told you to the green. And let's say you got out at your destination at the top, 277 pips, you guys. Come on. That's over 1,000 something pips we got from 2 trades, and you guys are done. Let's look at Apple. What did we say to do with Apple? Buy Apple at 22718. Look what happened to Apple, you guys. Come on. Does this have value? Does it have value? It went up 210 right here, pips right here. You guys are done. You guys understand what 210 pips are on a stock? Oh my goodness. It went up $2. on Apple. Look what happened. We predicted this right, you guys. We're done. We did our 3 trades. We're out of here. You know, there's nothing else for us to do but throw down the mic. But my mic is plugged into my computer, so I'm not going to throw down the mic. And, thank Jesus. We're going to thank Jesus for this one right here because we took 3 trades and all of them paid out hefty. Look at this. Gold's still going up. Gold is still going up, you guys. If you're not out of gold, get out of gold right now because it's hitting the Bollinger Band. You're done with gold. You made all the money that you're going to make. Look at this. US30 went back down and hit the green. I'm done today. I'm not going to trade this again. Already made enough money from US30, 800 pips. Why give it back? If it keeps on going down, why give it back? I'm done with US30. Now, somebody might say, well, I want another US30, but if it keeps on going the wrong way, then you're done. So you guys got 800 pips on US30. That's 4 times the amount that the other ones would have made us. We're done with US30. Don't get back in US30. Don't get back in. You had a phenomenal day already. Gold, look at gold. Goodness. If anybody stayed in gold, come on, stop playing with us. Let's just say you stayed in gold and didn't listen to me, right? You got in on the green. I said it was going up. It didn't hit the blue, right? Look where we're at right now. We're at the same amount the US30 paid out, 758 way up here. Get out of this trade. Quit it. Quit. Be done with that trade. We're out. We're out, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get out of this. All these things went good, man. Look at I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. This is wild. Goodness gracious. Wow. I wish I could put like a little circle around here or something. I know what I'll do. Might do like a screenshot or something. That one, man. Jeez, that one. All right, take a screenshot of that. And then this one right here. Oh my goodness. See, if you got back in US30 when you already made all that money, then shame on you. We got our money and we got out of here. All right, you guys. Fabulous, fabulous time together. Invite your friends and family, man. This is wild. We won a lot of money today. Everything was correct. We took 3 trades and got out of the market, and we got big wins. God bless you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's more of a day to where we're going to basically show people, and people are going to be talking more. People are going to be telling more for us. So you guys be ready for that. It's going to be very exciting tomorrow for you guys to kind of take your own trades and tell me what's going on. It's going to be some more interaction, but man, this week is already a phenomenal week. We did really good. God bless everybody. You guys have a good day and have fun and be safe. Bye-bye. Love y'all.